Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook or worksheet that will receive the value. Next, click the destination cell and keep it active. This is where the linked value will display. Now switch to the source sheet and select the exact cell containing the data you want to link. Use absolute references when you don't want the address to change, and relative references when you want formulas to shift. Once done, return to the destination to finish the link. With the destination cell active, type an equals sign to begin the formula and then switch to the source sheet. Click the source cell. Excel inserts the sheet name and cell reference automatically. If the source is in a different workbook, Excel writes the full file path. This is normal. Make sure you use $ for absolute references if needed. Press Enter to apply the link and watch the destination update with the source value immediately. Once the link is created, test it by changing the source value and confirming the destination updates. Save both files so external links keep their paths. Otherwise, Excel may prompt to update links. If you see errors like #ref, it usually means the source cell or file moved or was deleted. Reopen the source and recreate the reference. Make sure both files are accessible. If linking across networks, confirm permissions. That one step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.